Canon M50 Mark II. Hey guys, it's me Shayla back at you with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing of my brand new Canon M50 Mark II. And this box right here is an amazing object. It's my brand new Canon M50 Mark II that I've been so eagerly wanting and waiting to have. And it's finally here, and I'm excited to open it with you guys. And yes, you see this box is already open. I did check out the camera, but just to make sure that it didn't come in like with any cracks, scratch, and you know, it turns on and stuff fine, just in case if I had to send it back to get a new one. But I'll be opening up all my stuff and going through with you guys so you can see the camera that I got along with the accessories that goes along with it. Even though it's not my first time opening it, still feels like excitement. Okay. Here is the box that it comes in. EOS M50 Mark II, and it comes with the kit lens. The kit lens is the EF M15 to 45, so the 15-45 kit lens. Basic. Okay. Here is the manual. So the one I got, it came with an Extreme Pro 64 gigabyte HD SD card. Definitely will come in handy. And here, I don't know what's in here. I didn't open this part. I only did the camera. So. It's the Ultimax Professional DSLR and Video Camera Starter Kit. It's a studio series designed for all GoPro, DSLR cameras, and camcorders. It comes with the cleaning cloth, 5-piece cotton swab, lens cleaning fluid, 3 universal screen protectors. Oh! And I ordered screen protectors. They didn't come in yet, but I ordered screen protectors for it, but this already comes in it. A mini tabletop tripod and a limited lifetime warranty. Mini tripod? What mini tripod comes in this size of a thing? It's a mini tripod. What in the world? It's the Ultimax mini tripod, like this. It's crazy. It's so tiny. I don't even know if it can even hold the camera, honestly, let alone a DSLR that it says up here on the bag. But I mean, if it does, it does. And what also comes in here is an air thingy. I don't know what this is for, but it's some type of air blower. I don't know what to use it for, but I mean, once I figure it out, it would be handy. And I don't know what this is either. Some type of pen looking thing. And next we have the Ultimax high-speed capacity digital reader and writer. So I'm guessing this right here as the HDMI plug. You plug that into your computer, and then on the other end is where you can stick your SD card at. So I guess once you use your SD card from the camera, it's easily transportable to your laptop. Easy function, no cords necessary. Even though I also bought an HDMI cord, which still hasn't came yet, but I mean, backups are good for a reason. They're backups for a reason. Next we have this lens. The lens that it came with, the kit lens, the 15 to 45 millimeter. Ooh. Next we have the Canon neck strap that you apply to your camera and put it on your neck to keep the camera from falling, or if you're like holding it, you just hang it on your neck, etc. You know what these are for. Very, very basic. I don't know if I'll be using it. I mean, depending on if I will be taking more pictures than videos, but it all depends. Next and lastly, from this box, I have the camera. The Canon M50 Mark II. Okay. I'm sorry. It's like taking content creating to the next level. Like, I've already been content creating, but this like symbolizes, it signifies, oh, I know what I'm doing, like I mean, obviously if you don't have a camera, it doesn't mean you know what you're doing, but like, it's a nice feeling to have. Like, I look professional, like, yeah, I did content creating. Let's not do that. Bubble wrap, like, come on. There you go. Here we have it, the Canon M50 Mark II. I got it in black. It's very, very nice. I didn't think it would feel like this. I mean, it's a nice feeling. The grip feels good. I feel like it would like slip still a little bit, but I mean, it's a good grip. It feels nice. The camera is light. It's small, very portable. Has a flipping out screen. You flip out this way, so right now I can see the screen. And then this is where you can turn it up this way to where if I was doing a vlog or whatever, or a video, or like this one, I could see myself in it. And then you can also have it to where at this angle, or have it at a down angle. It won't let you turn it all the way this way. It won't let you go all the way to the front if you if you turn it towards the top. But it turns to the bottom, it only comes to this angle. And this right here is for if you're taking a picture and you're taking a picture down or recording something downwards, you can still be able to see what the camera and the lens sees without trying to get over it to like look at it. It's an easy view. And that's that. Next we have the bag that the camera kit came with. This bag is actually a lot more sturdier than I thought it would be, because in the video for it, it looked more shiny and kind of thin and pushed in, so it looks very flimsy like, but the thread seems pretty like tightly knit, and it's not easily like squishable like I thought it would be. It's a pretty nice bag. It's a mini one. I also bought another carrying case for all my stuff, which is slightly bigger, but I guess if I don't need everything and I'm like going somewhere and I just need to take the camera and like a lens or whatever, I can just fit this to go. That's how it looks on the inside. It's very small. It's like, it seems like it's just for the camera and the lens. That's kind of the size of it. And that's what the whole that looks for. The last two things we have in this box is the digital camera battery. So it's a second battery. This kit came with 2 Canon batteries. One is over there charging currently, and this is the second one. And this is, I don't know what this is. Looks like a pouch, some sort of pouch. It might be like an SD card holder, I believe, but we'll see. Yep, it's an SD card holder. The funny thing is, these look like, I don't know if you guys had like DS before, like the DS, DSi, DSi XL, 2DS, you know the deal. But like they, you know, like the games, like little cards we put in, these look like, it would be like the pouches that you put them in. Next, let's open up this Amazon package. By the way, the accessories like this right here and the next thing you're gonna see is from Amazon. The stuff that you've seen previously is not from Amazon. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. First is this mini tripod right here. It is a Manfrotto Imagine More mini tripod. It's like this. Good for you to use maybe as a grip and extension, so you can put the camera still on top, but then just use the bottom legs as like a holder to use to video record yourself. If you don't want to hold the side of the camera, that's also an option to use too, which is a good option because I will be definitely using this camera for vlogs, and if this has a better grip on it, then I would definitely want to use it. Second and last thing that it was in that package is this mini LED video light. It clips on right on top of the camera right here. It's so cute and so tiny, and I feel like it can easily slip in. Let's try that. I've never put it in there. And there it is, like that. I feel like it would like, okay, it doesn't fall out too easily, but if I feel like it could fall out because it's a little wobbly, so I'm scared like it could fall out this way, but I think it can only fall out once you take it. So it doesn't seem that secure, but I guess it is. I guess it is. Yeah. For the next package, wait, I should have done that. I don't know what's in here. I'm pretty sure this is the bag. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is the bag that I have for the camera and all the extra stuff. So you see now why I might need a little bit bigger space, because it's definitely not going to fit into that small one. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. This right here is... What? I didn't order this. Whose name is this? Oh. Never mind. This is my dad. Never mind. This is my last package. And in here is my bigger camera bag case. Where's my bigger camera bag? What? Okay. Oh, they're upstairs. The door. This is my tripod. It's a bigger tripod. Like what I have right now, it's a ring light tripod. This is just a regular one right here. So, oh my goodness. This is legit. Ow. Yes, legit. Look, this is how you know it's legit. Look at the camera bag. Like, look at the tripod bag it came in. This is how you, the zip up and everything. This is the shoulder sling. It's legit. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Ah! I'm so excited. This is crazy. It's like I'm stepping into my prime time. I am gonna be on my grind so much. Like, this is gonna be crazy. It's so crazy. And the thing is, I need the camera anyway for school, for my class I'm taking, but this is... Let me look at you one more time. Ah! Oh my God! Ah! I think I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. I'm so very grateful. I'm so grateful. So we're saying this, thank you, Dad, because my dad did get me the camera. I got all the extra stuff with it, but he did get me the camera, and I am so grateful. So thank you so very much, Dad. I love you. So now back to the video. I had an overwhelming of feelings. This is legit. Look, bro. What in the world? Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Even has a leveler and everything on the side. all these little notches and crooks and switches and metal. All this metal and everything. It's like, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This package right here I have is my camera bag. I'm pretty sure of it. I know it. Feels like a shoebox, honestly. Amazon package is ripped, by the way. I didn't do that. It looks so nice. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It says Amazon Basics, I guess from their company. I didn't know Amazon had like their own stuff like that. It says Amazon Basics. Okay. This is a very, very nice looking bag. Has the two clippers on the front, the handle on top, two little zipper pouches on the side. Very secure, very nice. And then you open the bag, it looks like this. And then I can open it some more. Okay, so I already unzipped this off, but before you even get to this and what's in here, you can see that there's another zipper out here in front. So now I open the bag and it looks like this. This is the shoulder strap that comes with it. These sections are divided inside. Has a zipper pouch up here. And in front, a whole nother pouch right here with another zipper in front and a little slide pocket right here. And two little mini things. Like, you know, like how we put pins like your backpack and they have like the those small indents for your pens or pencils. That's what they have in here too. This is so nice. This is so nice. It has everything. What in the world? Oh, and in the back too. Like you see it divided in front. In the back it has one big slit that you can put something in. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's not as big as I thought it would be and how it looked online, but I'm pretty sure all my stuff can still fit in here. Like, I missed the box. We're not gonna talk about that, but this is nice. I know I keep saying that. This is nice. Oh my gosh. I am so grateful. I am so very grateful for everything. For everything. This is amazing. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. But I'm so ecstatic. I can't say how grateful and thankful I am enough. This is amazing. I have a couple more things that I had gotten for the camera and it's not in yet. It's supposed to be coming in later this week, but I wanted to go ahead and film what I have now so I can go and start using this camera and putting up the settings and stuff and getting it situated to my likings and start using it. And I wanted, to do the initial reaction with opening all my stuff with you guys. So I wanted this part of the video now. And the stuff that I'm still waiting for is just the little lenses that can go on a kit lens, like the filter, not lens, but like filter lenses that you can put on top of like whatever lens you have. You know how they have like the colored ones, stuff like that. Yeah, I have that coming in the mail, along with my HDMI cord. I bought a case. It's a pink silicone case to go on top of this, and what was it, screen protectors. Like that's all that still hasn't come in yet. It's supposed to be coming in later this week, but I'm not gonna be pushing this video out yet until the next couple of weeks because I have a couple more videos I still need to finish up to get out to you guys. So once that come in, you'll see them. So I guess now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks right now. So I'm gonna turn, let me see. I'm gonna go get my battery and I'm gonna put this in along with the SD card, gonna put that into the camera, and then I'm gonna apply this lens to it, and I'm just gonna do the initial first video, like without any settings changed, just like the basic camera function. I'm just gonna show how that video looks without anything done to it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the lens, find the white dot right here, apply it to where this white dot is, line it up, and twist on. Turn on. But now I take this off. Oh wow. It looks really good. Okay. I'm gonna record something and then I'm gonna put it in the video. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. This picture quality is amazing. Morales. It's Morales.
Hi.
Hey, Baba. Is really, really good. As for the first, like that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna start recording now so you guys can see what I'm recording. So you can see what I'm talking about. Morales. Hey, Baba. Hey. Morales. So I just hope once I apply the settings and stuff to the camera that the quality does get a little bit better, just because I've seen YouTube videos that use a Canon M50 and their videos look amazing with the right settings. So I'm hoping that my settings will look pretty good after I apply them. So yeah, this is how it looks right now with no, like straight out the box, nothing added. But I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술. 네가